I mean, I really enjoy, you know, the hands-on task that Sean gives in the kickoff meeting and in this little session. You know.
And you could see the changes in the organization as we were pursuing the projects. You know, that was nice. And then being able to look back and see the stuff that, you know, several years afterwards, the things that are still in place, as opposed to some of the things we tried and dropped in the past.
It's a productivity improvement, and that has been mostly from the planning and scheduling that we've been able to do. We're able to keep our craft on the wrenches more. Helping people understand the value of reliability engineering. We've caught a lot of problems using reliability practices. So,
been able to implement a great many of these concepts. A lot of that has been evident in the way that we plan and schedule, how we've gone about things in Chobani, and the changes that we've been making. We've been able to save a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. We've been able to train our technicians, try to help them better understand the concepts of what we're trying to accomplish, and we've been able to move forward. We've been able to progress as a
having proper PMs, predictive maintenance, all those things that we tend to key on, now they're getting a real understanding. And again, it's at a cost and a price, but the return on investment will be definitely worth the cost.